How to delete Google Chat messages from both sides. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, simply launch the Gmail application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the chat section at the bottom of the screen, and as you do that, tap on the chat that you'd want to delete some messages. Now, in order to delete the Google Chat messages from both sides, simply make a long press on the chat. As you do that, different options will pop up. So just scroll down and you can see the options over here. But there's no option to delete because this is not the message that you have sent. So simply tap on the message that you want to delete. And as you do that, you can see there's no option to delete. So this particularly says that you cannot delete Google Chat messages from the both sides. You can only delete it from your side. You can edit it, but you cannot delete the Google Chat messages from the both sides. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.